Hello and welcome to video 2 of our introduction to Fusion. This time we're actually going to be using Fusion for the first time, so congratulations on downloading it and getting logged in from video 1. This one we actually will be turning in an assignment, so this will be everyone's deliverables, and I'll paste things in as we go. So let's open up Fusion, and you should be in a home to start. It might look something like this. I'm going to click on Untitled. That'll bring me to this page. It's a little bit confusing at first, but we're going to go through all of it. And what I'd like us to do to begin is click this 9 dots to show the data panel. Now, I have a lot here, and you should have basically nothing. So what I want you to do is open a new project, and I want you to type in IED, and then type in the school year. So while I'm making this, it's the 2025-2026 school year, but put in the appropriate year. And you'll wait a minute and it'll open up, and then you should see this pin. Please click on the pin and go all the way up to the top, and you should find your IED 2025-2026, and then double click to open it. And it should be empty. So I'd like us to take a screenshot of this right now. So to do that, you're going to hit Windows Shift S on your keyboard, Windows Shift S, and then I just want you to highlight like this, so I could see the home and the word IED 2025. Now go back to your assignment and paste. It automatically copies. And this is perfect. That should be your hub, or your team will be right there, and that tells me that you did this correctly, and that's the key for a lot of our work. Next thing we're going to do is update our preferences, so let's go back to Fusion. And in order to update our preferences, we are going to click on probably your initials. I doubt you have a profile picture yet, but maybe. Click on that and choose Preferences. Choose General, and what I'd like to see is where it says Customize My Fusion Page, choose Design. Default Design Type, choose Design. Where it says Show Home at Startup, turn that off. Create shortcuts when updating, turn that off. Automatic version when you close, turn that on. If you see something different, grab me. I know some people have different versions of the downloads. Default model orientation should be Z up. Show tooltip, show prompts. We want all of this, and we want this to be Fusion, free orbit, and that's everything. So scroll up to the top, and I'm going to need to make this just so I could see the word Fusion. So we want to go from English all the way down to Fusion, and we're going to do this again. So Windows Shift S, you wait a couple seconds, and this is all that I want. It doesn't need to be too large. Then you go back to your deliverables, and hopefully you're using two screens, so it's a lot easier. Now I can just double check that your stuff fits. So kind of try to make it as large as you can to fit in here where I could still see it. Okay, this would be much easier for me to check everyone's settings. Now we're going to go to the design units, so go back to Fusion, where on the left side where it says default units, there's a little arrow, and then choose design. Yours probably starts in millimeters, so change it to inches. Windows Shift S. Default units for new designs. Let's paste that in here. And I'm actually just going to grab from here so it'll be squashed, but I could see it pretty easily. Okay, and now I'm going to do the one for manufacturer, so I go back to Fusion. Choose manufacturer. Yours is probably in millimeters, so change it to inches. Windows Shift S. and that's excellent. Okay, you're going to press apply and press OK. And for now, that's all we're going to do. My next video, I'm going to teach you a lot more about how to actually use this program. This is just about setting the proper preferences. To make sure that this works properly, before we leave, close this tab. And if it opens up a new untitled tab, you did it right. If it goes back to the home screen, you did it wrong. I hope this video helps everybody.